makers, it's Diane from Spencer Ogg Sewing Patterns, here to introduce you yet another new pattern. This is the Arch Zipper Pouch, and it comes in 2 sizes. It comes with printable pattern pieces and the video tutorial instruction, and it's suitable for everyone from beginners up. You can make it in just about anything from quilt cottons to waterproof canvas, vinyls, oilskin, even clear vinyl and TPU without the lining to make it even quicker. These are the 2 sizes, a medium and a large, and they hold so much. So the pouch design was inspired from my own travel plans. I wanted a really nice matching makeup bag and toiletry bag which would hold absolutely loads of bath and body products, and this one really does hold a lot. But I didn't want another just plain square boxy pouch, so I started playing with shapes, and hence the arch pouch was born. The gentle curve gives it a soft, elegant look, and I wanted the base to be something special too. So rather than a typical box bottom, the result, a beautifully fitted base that adds a sophisticated touch to the design. Or you can make it in one piece if you prefer. I've included pattern pieces for both the medium and the large versions you see here. This one is 8.5 inches long, and this one is 10 inches long, and you can see they're really wide, so the whole lots. But you'll find the full dimensions in the listing. And of course you can print them smaller too to make a mini version. That was the regular medium size. Let's pull them together. And that was the medium size in vinyl, and I printed the medium off at 80% to make a mini version too. But full printable pattern pieces are included to make the large and the medium anyway. Inside, of course, we have a pocket. You can add 2 if you like, 1 to each side, and you can keep it as 1 large pocket, or you can divide it into 2. You can make it in fabric, or you can make it in mesh, as I've done on that one. There are zip pull tabs at each end for easy zip opening, and an optional grab handle to the side. I also tell you how to adapt it to become a crossbody bag if you want to. Oh, and look, binding. I know, you're already switching off. Bear with me though, we'll get over this together. We bag makers seem to have a mental block when it comes to binding, but I promise it's easier than you think, and it adds incredible structure to the pouch. As always, I walk you through every step of the process, and believe me, if I can do it, you can too. I'll also demonstrate 2 different methods of how to bind successfully. When I first started sampling it, I spent a lot of time figuring out how to achieve a perfectly smooth, beautifully matched finish, and once I had it down, I wanted to make sure I could teach it to you in the clearest, easiest possible way. And that's why for this pattern I'm doing something a little different. Instead of pages of written instructions, I'm bringing you a video lesson with pattern pieces only. I wanted this to be hands-on visual experience where I can show you exactly how to construct and bind this shape with ease, explain the reasons behind it, and share dozens of helpful tips to elevate your bag making skills. So, no written instructions with this one. Think of it as having your own private sewing tutor, guiding you step by step, making the whole process feel effortless. So, I know you're going to ask me if you can make it without the binding. Well, adding the binding creates a skeleton or structure which holds the shape so much better. It makes the seam stronger and helps the pouch stand up unaided without too much stabiliser and stiffener. My job is to show you why you shouldn't be scared of it and to make it easy to do. So this one is just quilt cotton outer and lining with 1 layer of fleece, and it stands perfectly. If you want more sturdiness, you can use foam instead of fleece. This one is foam. If you're using waterproof canvas or vinyl, you don't need any interfacing whatsoever. They'll hold themselves perfectly firmly on their own. I'll explain exactly how to achieve the perfectly fitted curve and why, if you've tried this shape before, it might not have come together exactly as smoothly as you'd hoped. I'll walk you through getting all the angles to match up perfectly and ensuring your curves meet beautifully at each end. And of course, I'll share every tip in the book to help you achieve a polished, professional look. So if you like the look of the new arch zipper pouches and you fancy making a set or two, then just hop on over to my website at www.spencerogg.com to download it over there, and the link is in the text below the video too. So what are you waiting for? Go sew!